guys, let's bake our yummy chocolate cake. So we have two base. We have the solid base and the liquid base. Here is what you do. Add all your dry ingredients together. That is your solid base. Then you add all your wet ingredients together. Your oil, buttermilk, water, flavor, vinegar. Add it together, mix thoroughly, and then you start adding your dry ingredients bit by bit while you mix. Bit by bit while you mix. Make sure you don't leave any lump behind. That is why you add bit by bit. Just keep mixing until it incorporates well and there are no lumps left. It will now be very smooth. This is one of the moist cakes we have. All cakes are not fluffy. They are moist cakes. You know, that melts in the mouth. That type that you use fork to eat. When I posted the recipe, a lot of people's comments revolved around eggs. There is no egg. Yes, this chocolate cake is eggless. We did not make it with egg. It's not all the cakes that you bake with eggs. However, if you're tied to egg, say you must put egg for your cake, then you can add just one. One is good enough. Aside that, if you bake it without egg, it's still going to give you that very, very yummy and wow taste. Okay, it's going to come out moist and the melt in the mouth type of chocolate cake. Another point to note is that I used 1 cup of buttermilk and 2 cups of water. You can actually use 3 cups of buttermilk without water. You can decide to use 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of water. It's like, see now, is it not yummy? So we're going to be using this cake to bake a Knorr seasoning cube cake. Okay, do well to go to YouTube and check it out if you're interested to see the step by step, every detail of the way how we achieved our Knorr seasoning cube. Cheers. See you soon. Bye.